Good morning, guys and girls of YouTube and the channel. Next order of business is going to be the cooling system on this 5.7. Okay, I thought that the water pump needed replacing. I posted something the other day, but I spoke to a mechanic and he said, I don't think it's the water pump. I think it's the fans, and they're not, because it runs normal on level ground, on the freeway. Level ground, it won't heat up. But the minute I put it on the incline and the engine runs slow, the fans are not cooling the radiator fast enough. And so out. I got the two electric fan motors. All right. See that? Nice, brand new. I got new antifreeze, pure, and I'm gonna do a radiator flush. The radiator is good because circulation's good on the both hoses. Top and bottom got hot when the temperature ran up, so it's not the water pump. I have a helper today. This is my helper, Sandra. She knows about mechanics, and she has a Class B license. And let's get busy here, and let's see what happens. Alright, finally loosened it. I had to take this out in order to get this through here. As you can see, it's no walk in the park. So here we go. This is the fan, the electric fan, original from 1988. So we're going to change this motor, and my helper's already got it going. All right. What do we got? Using it, doing it by hand. Wow. And this, not, dale, va bien. Es hacia la derecha. La apretaste.
Como para que aprietas.
Yeah. Quizás es al revés.
Así ahora.
See, backwards. So right to loosen, left to tighten. All right. There's our fan. We're gonna use that fan on the other one, and let's use the ratchet to get these to be faster. Okay. Look at you, go girl. Mucho cuidado para que no se pele. Yeah, perfect. All right, so we have to. Vamos a tener que usar eso otra vez. All right, next one. Those Sandra's got tattoos on her left sleeve. All right, acuérdate cómo van.
Sí.
Ya ves. All right. So let's go with this one like that, right? Oh, Sandra got to drive the Camaro yesterday. We washed it, and I said, you get to drive it. Let her drive it 50 feet. Right, Sandra?
Yeah.
50 pies? No, but tomorrow's the big day. If all goes well with this cooling, we're gonna test it up in the mountains. We're gonna go to the center of the island called Orocovis, and it's like a 3-mile climb with a real high grade, which is really, it causes the engine to heat up every time, but always shoot up to 220. And so we're gonna hopefully get this problem right. All right, ¿cómo te va? ¿Ya? Pónselo los dos y después.
¿Qué tú hiciste aquí?
I don't know. You? Look at that tattoo. ¿Qué significa tu tatuaje?
No sé.
Huh? No?
No sé.
She just liked the design and had it printed. Alright. Okay. Any comments, Sandra? ¿Algún comentario? No? This is great. Keep. Look at that steady hand. Ya los tres. Oh my goodness. She is fast. All in the wrist. Yeah. Okay, let's put these in the floor out of the way. And pause this. All right, so she finished. She took them off. Okay, what's next, Mommy? Right here? And okay, you're gonna do the video? She wants to do the video now. And I still, this is, okay, so it's backwards to put back on. If you notice that I did left to tighten. So. All right, so today we're gonna replace this water pump right there. All right, so there it is. These are the two holes for the one side of the water pump and the other side of the water pump. Right over here. We got new gaskets and let's see. We are looking at a perfect match. So yeah, we are good to go. Yep. Alright, the new pump is on. 4 bolts are in. 25 foot-pounds torque right there. They're here. Now we're tightening this bad boy up. And alright. It's pretty easy. Kind of looks complicated, but it's not. All this is Okay. So the belt's on all the way around, the right pattern. There's a diagram right here. This is what you want to do. And now I think I'm going to use a ratchet for this to make sure it's super tight. It's spinning. That's not right. Okay, pause. Look at her go. That's it right there. She's doing it just right. Applying just the right amount of pressure. Yeah. Not too much. Perfect. Alright. So now I'm just gonna wait because the next part is real tedious. All these little screws in there and wires. I'll just wait and show you guys the finished product. But as you can see, I have both fans in here. This is one, and here's the other one. So, right on track. Hold on, stand. Hello. Okay, so we're dropping to the lowest point. This is like a real big downhill, all the way to the lowest point between two mountains, and it's gonna put us in a river called La Playita between Orocovis and Morovis. And this is gonna be the ultimate test. Right now my temperature gauge is real low, as you can see, and as soon as I start climbing, it rises to 220, 235, and it's all because that mountain right there, it's about 15 miles straight up, a lot of climbing. So stand by, we're gonna record periodically on how this goes, how the climb goes. We're going way up there. It's pretty high. Stand by. Okay, not doing too good here. We're about 5 minutes up the hill, and our temperature's starting to climb. It's about 220. So, okay then. As you can see, we're up to 20. We're gonna keep going because there's nothing going on over here. There's no repair shop or anything. So we're just gonna keep going. It usually warms up about this much, and just gonna take a chance. If we don't red line, I won't stop. If the red lines, will stop. We're still under. Still about 235 maybe. And it's raining. That's typical for the mountainous region of the island. So rain is good. Rain cools the engine, helps cool the engine a little. Cool the air. Also. Eso?
Sí.
Alright, we made it to the top, and the temperature is starting to drop a little because it's a lot colder up here. So we're about 230, and it's not too much stress on the engine. So we're doing good. Looking real good on top. Get a close up of the gauge. Right there, you can see she's cooling down a little bit. Oh, incidentally, I switched to heater to help circulate the heat. Alright, I'm going to switch it back to cold. It's got real hot in here. Alright. Okay. So we're going to pause the video right now. I decided to do one more video to show you all the few details. I used this copper wire brush to clean the base of the water pump on the engine. Okay, I don't know if you notice, this is the old gasket right here, and it's basically really stuck on it was stuck on the engine, so I used this to get it out. And now what I want to do is take these screws out to confirm what mechanic told me, that the blades inside here were wore out, and that's why I had poor circulation. So let's see what happens when I pull this out. Ooh, that one's tough. Just two more to go. That was tight. Alright, let's see what happens. See what it looks like in here. Oh, there is some rust. Major rust. And these blades don't go as far out as there's corrosion, but at the same time it appears it's really stuck. So that bearing in there was definitely, the bearing is definitely seizing up. So it was a good move. And there is a lot of corrosion in there. So that was a good thing. Alright. Good thing I replaced that bearing, or the water pump. And so, alright, that's going to be the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and you'll see other videos that we post. We're going to do some more videos up in the mountains, places we go to have fun, trails and stuff. But since the car's not going to be off-road, it's just places we go to have fun. Let's leave it at that. All right. Peace out, and thanks for watching.